Hey guys, it's Luana and I'm here to show you that young adults gotta cook. In today's episode, we're gonna be making Kalua Pig. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need bone-in or boneless pork butt. In Hawaii, it is traditionally cooked with keawe wood, but here we use mesquite liquid smoke to give that effect. Also, we'll use Hawaiian rock salt. You can use kosher salt, but the grain is smaller, so you'll just have to adjust the seasonings for that. Lastly, this is optional, but I like to use banana leaves. It is also traditionally used in Hawaii. So as you can see, I used a bone-in pork butt, so please bear with me as I kind of hack at it to get the bone out. I'd also like to add that this video was requested by a good friend of mine. Her name's Carissa Koger. She's a realtor out in New Mexico, so if you're in the Albuquerque area looking for a house, give her a call. She's awesome. Once the bone is removed, or you decided to use boneless pork butt like a smart person, not me, obviously, cut the pork butt into 2-inch cubes. Once your pork is cubed, add your Hawaiian rock salt and liquid smoke. Give it a good mix and cover it with saran wrap and store it in your fridge to let it marinate for 1 hour. To your Instant Pot, you're going to add 1.5 cups of water, followed by 1 layer of banana leaf and then a single layer of pork. Continue this process until you run out of pork, making sure that the banana leaf is your last layer. It took me about 3 layers to achieve this. You're going to pressure cook your Kalua pork for an hour, making sure that the steam release is set to sealed. Once it's finished, we're going to naturally release it for 15 minutes. Once the Kalua pig is finished, remove the banana leaves, place the pork in a bowl, and reserve the cooking liquid. All there is to do is take 2 forks and shred the Kalua pig. This step is optional, but this is the method I use to cool and food save my Kalua pig using the reserved cooking liquid. And there you have it, folks. Kalua pig. Yum! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you haven't already checked out my Facebook page, I'll leave it in the link in the description down below. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.